The first step is to install the red pointer, and then connect the red pointer to the 5 volts power supply. The second step is install the pin combiner lens. First, open this case and take out this O-ring and put inside the pin combiner lens and use the O-ring to fix it. Make sure the correct surface of the lens is facing the red pointer. There is an error marked on the cylindrical surface of the lens. The third step is install the pin combiner into the machine. The position is next to the first mirror base. Make sure the CO2 laser is goes through in the center of this lens. The fourth step is to adjust these 3 screws to align the CO2 laser and the red pointer at the same line.